Today I'm going to show you how to download games in itch.io step by step, even if you've never used the site before. Itch.io is a popular platform for indie games, demos, and experimental titles, and the download process is usually very simple once you know where to click. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find a game, start the download, extract the files, and launch the game properly on your computer. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the itch.io website. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar to look for the game you want to download. You can type in the exact title of the game, or even browse through categories if you're still deciding what to play. When you find the game you want, click on its page to open the full listing. On the game page, take a moment to read the description, check the screenshots, and make sure it's the correct game. After that, look for the Download Now button. This is the main button you need to start the download process. Click Download Now, and in some cases, a pop-up may appear asking if you want to leave a tip for the developer. This is completely optional. If you don't want to pay, simply click, "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." That will take you straight to the file download section. Next, click the actual download button to begin downloading the game file to your computer. Depending on the game, the file may download as a zip file or another compressed folder. Once the download finishes, go to your downloads folder and locate the file you just saved. If the file is compressed, right-click it and choose Extract All. This will unpack the game files into a new folder that you can open and use. After extraction is complete, open the extracted folder and look for the game executable file. In many cases, this will be named game.exe or something similar. Double-click the file to run the game and launch it on your computer. If Windows asks for permission or shows a security prompt, confirm that you want to open it if you trust the source. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a game from itch.io, extracted the files, and opened it on your PC. It really is that easy once you know the steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy gaming how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.